Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's SLP video update for Saturday 27th of August. And I've been looking at SLP right now. The last time that I talked about SLP, I left you with a bear flag, and this bear flag pretty much has been intact, and I told you it's gonna be a little bit dangerous, so you guys gotta keep an eye on this one and be very careful of not trading SLP. So it's a very simple pattern right now, and it is in a play, and the technical target, basically you can already see that you take the flagpole, and this is where you're breaking out. You still have journey for SLP to come down basically to this blue line down here at 0.00313, and that's your technical target. Of course, today's Saturday started with a bang. I've been talking about Bitcoin previously, telling you that Bitcoin is looking to be bad, and it was bad, and it actually became bad, and that's why I say it's always stupid. So a part of it being stupid actually causes other coins to suffer as well. Now we did have drop to the downside, and then you made a liquidation candle on a 4-hour time frame. If you zoom in a little bit here, we've already see SLP try to make a move to the upside, but unfortunately, SLP does have a target to come down here. However, even if you were to go any higher, for example, you were to make some small relief rally to the upside, then my take will be to go back to that line and then go down. But I highly doubt it's going to happen, because you've already done it yesterday. So you actually broke to the downside, you made the wick to the upside like this one and got rejected. So this line is already retested, okay, and that actually confirms on a smaller time frame. When you dive in a smaller time frame, you can already see that this was a loss of support. You went to the upside, made a kiss of death, made an evening star. So break to the downside, a lose support, back tested this support that turned into resistance. Now got the kiss of death, got rejected here, you're moving down. And it's a very simple logic on the daily that you're still looking to go down to 0.00313. And that's it for this update right now. Once we do come down here, we're going to talk about this. There are good chances that, if things get nasty, then we probably could be looking for SLP to be heading down here. And actually, SLP is in a technical journey to go down to that price. Okay, I've been through this one with you before as well. So this is not the last of it, but you do have one small bit of support down there nonetheless. Okay, so you do have this last wick down here, and you're gonna come down and bounce off this area, just a little bit of a dead cat bounce, probably go back up to 379, 378, and then get rejected here and then push to the downside, losing this last low right there. And that's pretty much it for this update on SLP. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.